Elm leaf beetles feed on the leaves of elm trees, skeletonizing them. Excessive feeding activity can cause leaves to wilt and brown, leaving the tree vulnerable to disease and may also contribute to a decline in the tree's health. Usually outdoor pests, elm leaf beetles may also invade indoor spaces in large numbers, serving as nuisances and littering the area. In this video, we'll go over how to identify elm leaf beetles, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Adult elm leaf beetles are small insects with oval-shaped bodies that grow up to 1/4 of an inch in length. Their colorations range from brownish-green to orange to yellow. The heads and thoraxes of these beetles possess black spots, and the elytra that runs along the abdomen has black stripes. During winter, elm leaf beetles may appear darker in color. The larvae will feed on the surface layers of leaves, while adult elm leaf beetles chew right through. Over time, feeding activity will turn leaves brown and curled. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Elm leaf beetles target elm trees. Adult beetles will overwinter in tree bark, wood piles, the soil beneath trees, and in other sheltered areas like within homes. Come spring, they may emerge indoors as the temperature warms up. Elm leaf beetles produce at least 1 generation per year. Many places in the US produce 2 to 3 generations, but warmer climates can produce up to 5 generations. When elm leaf beetles are active, look for signs of feeding activity. Either layers of the leaves will be eaten, indicating larvae are active, or the leaves will have small holes chewed through, indicating that adult beetles have emerged. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. To treat elm leaf beetles on your property, use an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. To cover large treatment areas and higher tree canopies, we recommend you apply this product with the Solutions Hose End Sprayer. To control elm leaf beetles, apply the product's labeled rate of 0.125 to 0.25 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Aim for complete coverage of the plant's foliage. After applying over trees, in a handheld sprayer, mix 1 fluid ounce of Supreme IT into 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet, and conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, other voids that insects can use to hide or invade, and along tree trunks. Next, spray your structure's outer perimeter 3 feet up the foundation and at most 10 feet out. Allow the product to dry completely before letting people or pets back around the area. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've eliminated pests from your property, maintain the health of trees and shrubs with proper watering and regular pruning. Healthy plants are more resilient to damage and can recover more easily from defoliation. Dispose of pruned branches away from your property as they may still contain eggs, larvae, pupae, or adult beetles. Inspect for loose wood, as pests often use them as harbourages. Pick up and remove any leaf litter or wood debris around the outside of your home. Seal cracks and crevices around the outside of your structure with caulk or expanding foam. This will stop elm leaf beetles from overwintering and emerging in spring. Finally, keep up with regular applications of Supreme IT. Supreme IT lasts for up to 90 days, so 1 application every 3 months will provide year-round protection against elm leaf beetles and over 70 other pests. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop elm leaf beetles from infesting your home, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.